The stars are not a thing for any good luck one may experience.
This dude has Ignite on Syndra. Oops.
Nothing kindles wonder like the beauty of stars.
Just wait.
Any relevant species has been knocked back into the Stone Age once or twice.
Oh, fuck.
Thank you.
Fucking hate doing fucking Ubers, man. So much RP.
I wouldn't navigate by the stars. They are a work in progress.
You're bullying me, man.
One, Nefarious.
I tried to like
Lord of Blackrock.
Do I ask you this every time, Ian? What time do fruits spawn?
Might have changed, right?
a few more basic elements.
What the fuck was that?
Well, I guess a shitty answer, I guess.
My mouse is literally on this dude, and Aso's breathing in a fucking 90-degree angle the other way.
It's not a comeback if one was
What kind of
never
whack shit is
truly
that? Can we go?
With a lifespan as comically brief as yours, I suppose I can allow you to taste time.
I'm coming to the... How long?
Yes.
You say, or
Jays, but I'm literally like the restart. Put that fucking Madara bomb on your head, bitch.
Dim stars.
Got the popsters.
Thing they do can endure like the celestial.
It's not dented.
why are you choosing?
What? He really walked out there? That hit me.
It claims to stand in the path of the stars.
Oh my! What?
Stars are
ASOS!
not born. They are made.
Please stop trolling, man. What's up with this guy?
Stars are their shades from a distance.
God damn.
Press upon the ground. The stars soon transform in a luminous sphere of wonder.
He can't just run up in 5. That's
Damn resistance. Cosmos to catch Targon in the
the
flame.
dragon just wait, I think we have feast and
Anyone want some
Like that.
stardust?
I don't like that. Drop him on. Dropping moderate bombs.
Never stop.
Dragon, man. Oh, she's
I've
doing
seen enough.
Music. I got the call from the fucking from Obito. Drop the moderate bomb.
yeah. Obito's calling him.
Come on, man. He plays time. Go ahead. Lighter day.
Base crawl with terrible entities. Pray they ignore this world.
Only block midnight. Fucking botanist to moderate, man. Come on. What are you doing? He said just drop the ball! God damn!
With a few more basic elements, I can make this place shiver.
Destroyed a turret.
Top, like all things crafted by mortals.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Perhaps there is
I
more
don't like y'all.
to this
I don't like the way y'all walk. Why they don't walk? The orange mask dude was modern. You hate to see it. Oh, Caitlyn. Oh, damn. Come on, Caitlyn. Let me go ahead and get this. Okay, get out of here. GG, water it in.
Victory!
I guess they're I will blaze a trail. can't contain me, summoner.
Should be it, no?
The Inferno begins.
Oh, not the comp. That feels bad. I feel sorry for him.
Enemy has been slain.
I don't. You don't
An
want to die
enemy
like
has
that.
been slain.
That looks like fucking.
Like wildfire.
Clone Rick.
Can't contain me, summoner.
Did I miss that W?
Yes.
Oh my god, I win that. I played a game? God damn! One more! Real? Okay. Tap this way.
Some say
Hey, bitch.
An ally has been slain.
That's not it!
Shut down.
Oh, okay, okay. Does the burn not do damage?
Shut down. Ally has been
Oh, I gotta get out of here.
shut down.
feel its pull. The damned
Fucking
resist
missed my
their
Q on that Trist. I'm bad. I don't want to pressure him out.
like wildfire. I fire. This body is just one of many.
An An ally has been slain.
I'm gonna just push mid.
You can't contain peace.
Turret.
I'm gonna just push mid.
Turret has been destroyed.
I'm gonna just push mid.
Shut down. Shut down. Destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Missed that. Open it up though. I wonder if he was like, that one was just fucking random, man.
Like wildfire.
Do I need Oblivion for Wukong's Conquer? Is he healing like that? Kinda.
I am the fire that cleanses the world. Super Nigga exclusive.